Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix cellular data on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have recently set up the cellular data or mobile data on your iPhone iOS 18 and now it is not working or on your iPhone, or it is causing a problem, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that first of all you have connected to a Wi-Fi, and after that next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and in setting you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to simply click on reset all network setting, and after that you have to check whether your data is working or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply go for reset all network settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply take out your physical SIM and try to insert it again. But you have if you are using eSIM, then you have to simply try to check whether your eSIM is connected to your mobile or not. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply go to mobile services and you have to simply set up mobile data again, and you have to check whether now your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there and you are not solving it, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that you have to go to the Apple Store and ask for the solution. And moreover, you can also discuss this problem in Apple discussion and ask the iPhone user what they have done when they are facing the cellular data connection problem. So moreover, you can also restart your device. For this, you have to simply press and hold the power and volume button, and after that you have to simply restart your device, and after restarting your device you can simply check your problem has been solved. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.